Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about something that often causes confusion during PCB layout in EasyEDA. How to correctly choose the reference object when using align or center functions. When you are placing components, I'm sure you use alignment tools all the time. Things like align left, align right, center vertically, or center horizontally. But a lot of the time, the results don't look the way you expected. In most cases, the problem isn't the tool itself, it's that the reference object wasn't chosen correctly. First, in the PCB editor, select all the components you want to align. This step is important. You need to select all the objects involved in the alignment, not just click on a single component. Next, go to the top menu, open Layout, and find the Align options. When you expand this menu, you'll see the common function like align left, align right, align top, align bottom. At the bottom of this menu, there's a very easy to miss option called Select Reference Object. Once you enable Select Reference Object, and then choose an alignment command, you can click on one specific component on the canvas. That component will become the reference, and all the other selected components will align or center themselves based on its option. This is extremely useful when you are lining up connectors, arranging button areas, or aligning parts related to a key component on the board. If you don't manually choose a reference object, EasyEDA will use overall bounding box of selected items or some default system rule as the reference. That's often why the alignment result feels a bit off or not precise enough. In real projects, I recommend getting into the habit of deciding which component is the reference before doing any important alignment or centering. This small step can save you a lot of undo operations and fine adjustments. Once you use the reference object properly, alignment and centering become much more predictable, and your layout efficiency improves noticeably. Alright, that's it for this lesson on choosing reference object during alignment. I hope this helped you with your PCB layout work. See you in the next lesson.